Hello everyone, this is China. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 15 super useful sentences for talking about body and sickness. Are you ready? My 3 classmates had headache and fever. They were sick. The doctor said that they caught a cold. They have to take a rest. That is why they were staying in a bed while watching the Chinese opera on TV. You're suffering from a lung infection. Is it severe? The worst is their medication. My hands, feet, legs, arms, and head are okay. Be careful with the knife. Oh, I knew it. See, you just cut yourself. You're wearing glasses. Are your eyes often sore? Yes, somebody told me that the positions of my neck and back are bad. The elephant's nose can smell very subtle odors. It is very sensitive. So are its ears and tongue. Does this patient have to take pills to cure his disease? No need to. This is not a disease. He is injured. When sorrow comes upon my mind, I never feel hungry. When I feel pain, I like to recite poems. It makes my heart peaceful. Michael has another way. He eats until his stomach is full. All right, everyone, let's do a quick review of what we've learned today. Please look at the pictures on the screen and try to say their matching sentences out loud. If you get stuck on any of them, just pause the video and go back to the sentence. Just remember, keep practicing until you can say them smoothly without looking at the text. I hope you had fun learning English today with me. If you find my videos helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.